Hello, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and today I am very excited to talk about the Celestia Beauty French Kiss Lip Liner. This sample was provided by Celestial Beauty. Thank you for the sample, Celestial Beauty. So, this is how it looks. Like I said, mine is French Kiss. That's the color. This is how it looks. So I like it because it's high pigmented, it's blendable, and it also is long lasting. So all you have to do is go around your lips and you can see the definition. Let me show you here on my hand for reviewing purposes. It's highly pigmented and it's creamy, so you can blend it with your lipstick. I like it, and I think it looks very pretty. The top has this design, it looks so pretty. So I hope you enjoy it as much as I do, and thank you for watching.